So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Mighty Coding World, and today I am going to give you the extension open source code clipboard extension open source code, and I am going to show you how to edit in your Niotron IDE platform. And last time I have shown you how to create a project and about this extension clipboard extension, but that video was too lengthy and it was not completed. And today I am giving the open source code Java file, and you can edit in a notepad and anyone. I am referring to edit in notepad plus plus to install in your computer, and this is the complete source code of my clipboard extension. And you can only edit, you have to edit only the description, icon name, and the package name. Package name, that your wish, whatever you want to give, you give it. That is a clipboard extension, the com dot something, your name and clipboard. And coming to the description point, and a description is equal to, and you have to give this between two oblique, okay. And give the description anything created by something xyz. And the image icon, if you want to give image icon, until you have to leave it, no problem. Your icon must be in the Cloudinary platform, and copy the URL link and paste in between two, okay. And this file has been saved, okay, sorry. Notepad extension, clipboard extension, sorry, I have to hurry up, okay. This is complete source code of the extension. You can use in any kind of a platform like MIT, appinventor, Niotron, Codler, etc. And first of all, you have to create a project. If you are seeing this video first time, go open a account into Niotron Builder and click on the extension IED, and click on this. The page will be open like this, and create a project, okay. Create a new project, click on this project, and give the package name. Example, I am showing how to import this Java file into your project and Java code into your project, okay. Example, I am giving something, com dot xyz dot clipboard, that's it. And sorry, this package name have to given in the below, and this is the project name. Give the clipboard name clipboard, okay. This will complete. You have to click, if you want to give the image URL and description in this, but you are importing the Java file from external sources, that's why I am referring to continue this step, okay. The IED platform will be open like this. You can compile the extension from here only, okay. This is the Newton platform giving the test extension, the sample description and the sample functions, and we don't need these all things. Remove these all, okay. Remove this all, and open your notepad, whatever, wherever you will edit it, the code, package name, and etc. If you don't have the notepad plus plus extension, you will go to any editor, online editor, Java editor online, etc. And go to the notepad file, open the file, and control, sorry, I have forget to here to giving the package name xyz, sir, xyz, okay. I have changed the package name here, okay. That whatever we give given into this, okay. Then control, we have to copy all this source code, control C, and paste all code here, Control V. The code will be shown like this. Okay, you don't have to edit anything in this. You just have to edit only in the this description and icon and package name. Look in here, we have edited XYZ in the notepad. It will be shown here. We copied all source from the notepad. Okay, and we have some changes. You have to change this public class mighty clipboard. Okay, this is the project name of your extension clipboard, whatever we have shown in the top left icon. You copy this and remove the mighty clipboard and Control V and change the code like this. And here also the public class clipboard extension, here public mighty clipboard, you have to remove this and paste the same name, project name. And log.d, the log tag is equal to mighty clipboard created. You have to replace this also, my clipboard created. If you want to give your name in front of this clipboard, you can edit this, no problem. Now our code is, clipboard extension code is ready to compile the extension. I am going to compile the extension. Okay, first of all you save this project. Okay, the project have been saved successfully, and here is the compile extension. In your screen right top, in between save and home icon, compile extension and compile it. Click on the compile. Started compiling, project created, clipboard. You see here our extension has been created, clipboard AX. Okay, all extensions are shown like an AX file. Okay, I am going to import this clipboard AX into a small anything project. I have a demo projects here, and I am opening this. This will be loading. Oh, okay, it has opened, and user interface, and I go to extension, and here import extensions, and if you want to drag from here, drag, and if you don't know, click on here and go to downloads, and here is your extension. Click on it, open and import. The extension has been imported. The icon whatever we have given in AX source code, it will be displayed here, and description will be this. The version will be displayed in here. Okay, and if you want to test this extension, drag this, and if you want to show suppress stores, you can click on that, and remaining of your extension blocks are here. Copy text. If you want to copy anything text, you can put this text file, take this block, and whatever you want to copy, and insert the block here, and that file has been copied and displayed a toast message. The file has been copied, text has been copied. Okay, I am giving this source code, a text file in the description, and please support to my channel. I have facing a lot of problems. That's why I am not making videos regularly. I am facing too many struggles here, and please subscribe to my channel and support, as well as soon my channel will be monetized. Okay, and not only this clipboard extension, I have nearly 40-50 extension source code that only I have built by me only. Okay, if you want to test the extensions, go to mstore app, publish it in a Play Store, Google Play Store, and download it and test the extension first. Okay, I am showing this, compiling this extension from here, because a lot of people are showing this source code, but that was not working in our compiling mode. The error, the code was giving error in some places. That's why I showed you the extension has been compiled from here only. If you want to save this, if you want to save this extension source code like a NX file, you have to export from here. Export project click on export project. The project will be exported into your computer, downloaded file. It's shown like an NIX file, NIX file. Our AX file is extension. This is an extension. NIX file as a source code. Okay, this source code only open in Niotron platform. You can't open this project NIX file into another platform like MIT and etc. Okay, please subscribe and support to me Mighty Coding World channel, and stay connected, and please support us for making more videos. Thank you.